We're logged into SAP. We start by viewing a plant maintenance notification. Here we see there's a pump breakdown. We can see the functional location and the equipment number of our pump. Let's view the attachment list for this maintenance notification. We can see that there are currently 4 documents associated to it. Let's store a new business document. We click New and we select Store Business Document and then choose our document type, a plant maintenance notification. We drag and drop the document into the panel and it is uploaded to SAP and associated to the maintenance notification. In the background, Gmmal, Document Management for SAP, is archiving the document into Microsoft 365 SharePoint Online. This happens unbeknownst to the SAP user. Let's go to our SharePoint site for plant maintenance. Here we have a library for plant maintenance notifications. We can see that there are a number of different documents stored here, including our new document. I now have the document from SAP archived to SharePoint Online, fully described with all of the metadata that it needs based on the SAP transaction. If we click the Properties dialog, we can see this in more detail. Should the data change in SAP, the metadata properties in SharePoint will be updated automatically. But your SharePoint users can also add information and have it attached to SAP transactions. Let's go back to the main page. Here, we'll drag and drop a document onto a Gmmal zone. When we do this, the user is prompted for one piece of metadata, the maintenance notification number. We enter that piece of information and we click OK. The document is uploaded to SharePoint and put into a special library called the Notification Drop-Off Library. Gmmal Document Management for SAP monitors this library, looks at the properties, and then routes the document to the correct final location in SharePoint, populating the metadata from SAP. Here we see our new document in the Plant Maintenance Library with all of its metadata automatically populated. The user entered one piece of information. Simple. Because the documents are now well described, we can use Gmmal Enhanced Search to look for all of the related information. We're going to choose General Search from our list of search profiles. I can create any number of search profiles that I want to use. We're going to search for pump since that's what we're working on today. I enter the search term, and when the search is executed, I can see the results in a very user-friendly view with rows and columns of search results. I can see all of the different documents related to my pumps, but there's a lot of different information, so I use the refiners on the left to filter my search results. In this case, I've limited it to only plant maintenance notifications. Now I see a filtered list of documents. We see our documents that we've just added. For any document, if I want to see more information, I click the ellipsis and a menu pops up, and in this case, I will view the properties of the document. I could also view the document itself. To finish, we'll go back to SAP and view the attachment list on our maintenance notification. We now see the second item has been added to the attachment list for this plant maintenance notification, the same document we uploaded to SharePoint. There's no change for your SAP user. They see the documents on any transaction, and to view the document, they can double-click it just like the document was still stored in SAP. There's no change for your end users. Gmmal Document Management for SAP brings SAP and Microsoft 365 together for all of your users. Thank you for joining us.